And ever wondered what it would be like if we could travel through space at the speed of sound for a whole decade? Picture this. You're on a journey, a hypothetical one, of course, moving at a brisk 767 miles per hour. That's the speed of sound, in case you were wondering. Now imagine that speed, not on the highway, not even across our own blue planet, but in the unimaginably vast expanse that is the universe. A universe so vast that even light, traveling at a mind-blowing 186,000 miles per second, takes years to traverse the distances between celestial bodies. How far would we get in a decade, traveling at the speed of sound? Would we be neighbors with Mars, or would we still be saying our goodbyes to the moon? Intriguing, isn't it? Let's delve deeper into this space-time conundrum. Now, you might think the speed of sound is fast, but how does it compare to the speed of light? Well, let's dive into that. The speed of light is a staggering 670,616,629 miles per hour. That's almost unimaginably fast. To put it into perspective, a beam of light could travel around the Earth over 7 times in just 1 second. Now, compare this to the speed of sound, which is a relatively paltry 762 miles per hour. Let's use the Earth-to-Moon distance as an example. It's about 239,000 miles from Earth to the Moon. A beam of light could cover that distance in a little over 1 second. However, if you were to travel at the speed of sound, it would take you about 13 days to make that same journey. NASA scientists have confirmed these calculations, adding a layer of credibility to our discussion. This vast difference in speed is why we rely on light speeds to make sense of the vast distances in space. So, even at the speed of sound, space is still unfathomably vast. It's a humbling thought, isn't it? This reality truly illustrates the immense size of our universe and the challenges we face when exploring the cosmos. It's a big, big universe out there, and we're just beginning to scratch the surface. But what would happen to us human beings if we traveled at such high speeds, you might ask? Well, let's dive into the science of it. High-speed travel, especially at the speed of sound, would subject our bodies to intense G-forces. Imagine being squished into your seat with a force several times your own weight. Not particularly comfortable, right? But there's more. According to Einstein's theory of relativity, as we approach the speed of light, time begins to slow down. This phenomenon, known as time dilation, can make a 10-year journey seem like only a few years, or even less. And let's not forget the potential health impacts. Extended exposure to high-speed travel could lead to a variety of health issues, from bone density loss to muscle atrophy due to the lack of gravity. So, it's safe to say we're not quite ready for sonic speed space travel. But for the sake of argument, let's imagine we could survive. What would we see on this decade-long journey? As we journey through the cosmos at the speed of sound, we'd be privy to an awe-inspiring spectacle. We would witness the birth and death of stars, the twirling galaxies, and the cosmic ballet of planets orbiting their respective suns. Imagine the sheer number of stars we'd encounter, each one a radiant beacon in the dark abyss of space. Each star potentially hosting a family of planets, moons, and asteroids. We'd be seeing trillions upon trillions of these celestial bodies, a number so vast it's almost impossible to comprehend. And then there are the galaxies. Majestic swirls of stars, gas, and dust. Each one a city of stars holding billions of solar systems. Among those systems, we might stumble upon potentially habitable planets, further fueling our curiosity and thirst for exploration. It's a mind-boggling journey, isn't it? But one that's fascinating to think about. In the end, our hypothetical journey sheds light on the incredible vastness of our universe. We've touched upon the speed of sound versus light, the effects of speed on the human body, and challenged our imagination to grasp the immense scale of space. This journey underscores the importance of space exploration and the insatiable curiosity that drives us. If you enjoyed this video, show us your love by pressing the like button. And if you don't like this video, show us some love by, you guessed it, pressing that like button anyway. So in the end, it all comes down to that like button. Thank you to all of you.